The new way that I've been creating video content will seriously blow your mind. There's a few myths floating around the social media world that just aren't true. One being that you can't repurpose Reels to TikTok. The other being that you can't repurpose within one platform, like a caption becoming a reel or footage from stories becoming a reel. And the biggest myth being that trends are the only way to create video content on TikTok or Reels. I've completely shifted my strategy from focusing a lot less on single-use content like a lip sync trend and focusing a lot more on multi-use video footage. So I can not only be posting on Instagram like stories and reels, but it's also helped me expand and am now posting consistently on TikTok with this method. I want to take you behind the scenes on my simple and efficient process for taking one piece of content and distributing across not only multiple services on Instagram, but also to a new platform like TikTok. And the biggest shift has been focusing on stock content. This essentially is footage like a time lapse or a video clip that you can use in multiple ways, from a quote reel to a vlog. And capturing this type of footage is really easy. Whenever I'm making my matcha or walking into my office or doing things on coaching calls or even creating content, I'm constantly taking behind the scenes of things that I'm already doing. I'm not doing new things to create content, and I essentially just capture it with my phone. So then I have a stockpile full of stock content that I can then use later, not only on one service, but across platforms. If you want to learn my exact process for doing this, I actually have a 5-day video confidence challenge that's completely free. I share exactly how to source your own stock content with different methods. Spoiler, some content might already be on your phone. And I actually give you strategic content prompts on exactly how to create your own quote videos. There's a really awesome community element, so you have accountability to share your content as you're going through the challenge with a lot of tips and insights and inspiration. So go to videoconfidencechallenge.com, or I've linked it down below. If I'm being honest, I have been in my chill content era. So this has been perfect for batching a lot of content that I can use multiple times that is low energy. And then I essentially take that stock content and then I turn it into the first piece of content, which typically for me is stories on that day. So for example, if I take a clip of me walking into my office, I will then use that on my stories for the day and kind of list the to-do list or what I'm up to for the day, or maybe an engaging poll or interactive sticker. Next, I will save that piece of stock content in my little stock content folder on my phone, and I will start to use this with other content ideas I might have. This is the best part of multi-use content, is there isn't just one idea and you use it once. You can use it in multiple different ways. So for this same example, I actually used it for a quote reel, which is exactly what it sounds. I took some text of an unpopular opinion that I wanted to bring to my Instagram. So I added the text right on top natively. This is really using a strategy that we've seen proven over with tweet reels and also with just regular quote posts. But we're adding a video to the back of it and text right on top. And I also added a trending audio, which you can see by the trending arrow next to it. This helps you create bite-sized content, which actually performs really well as reels because it's really easy for people to read the quote, go to the caption, engage, save, and share. I've started incorporated these quote types of reels so much in my content strategy that literally in my content calendar, I have an entire content type field dedicated to storing these quotes and knowing that they should become a quote reel. So you essentially want to use the quote to grab the attention of someone scrolling, to kind of give them an aha moment or really strike up conversation or a different way of thinking of something, or even give a really quick tip or hack. And you're going to use that caption to dig a little bit deeper and add even more value, which takes a lot less time and energy than saying it or doing talking to camera reels. I love talking to camera reels. I will still do them and recommend them, but this is kind of the lower energy way to do it. And of course, there's so many ways that you could use this stock content for multiple ways, whether it's adding a voiceover to give extra context and kind of explain the story behind what you're doing or what you're saying with the quote, or it can be used in completely new pieces of content. Maybe you just need a clip to introduce a video or to have as a part of like a vlog reel, for example. And I've essentially been duplicating this process for TikTok, and this has helped me post 1 to 3 times per day, which has really helped me get a lot of great engagement and new followers on my TikTok account. But the secret is that I haven't been creating any native content for TikTok, haven't been doing any trends. I have literally just been creating these quote videos using my stock content. For these TikTok videos, I've been taking my most quotable moments from a caption or something I say in a video, and I've been doing the same structure by adding text natively within the TikTok app. I much prefer to do this versus taking something from Reels or taking something from TikTok with the text on it from the other platform. And essentially, I like to have a little bit of a longer video on TikTok and a shorter caption, which with Reels, I like to have a longer caption and a shorter video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you found this video really helpful, because I'm actually doing an in-depth case study on exactly how I've set up my TikTok account as an Instagram gal and how I essentially use my Instagram strategy to make starting on TikTok super easy. And if you want to learn more about stock content, you will love my free 5-day video confidence challenge, and the link is in the description. I hope you found this breakdown super helpful, and I will see you inside the challenge.